What's up guys, this is Jake, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. So it's really quick and easy, and we'll be able to do it in just a couple minutes. So the first thing you need to do is log in to your Shopify store admin, and once you're in here, you're going to go down here to online store, and then you're going to go down here and click on domains, and then right here we're going to click on connect existing domain, and then we're going to type in our domain here. So I'm going to go ahead and use a domain I have on GoDaddy, and once you type in your domain, we're going to click next. And the cool thing is, with GoDaddy, if you have your domain through GoDaddy, you can connect it automatically. So with a lot of different domain providers, you'll have to do it manually, but with GoDaddy, you can go ahead and just do this automatically. So all we need to do now is click this button right here to connect automatically, and it's going to bring up GoDaddy. So we just have to go ahead and log into our account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And once we log into our account right here, we can see that it's going to say connecting your domain to your Shopify site requires we disconnect it from default hosting and change some DNS records. So it's going to go ahead and do this automatically. So then we just go ahead and click connect, and it's going to say success right here, and then we can click close, and we come back here, and then Shopify is going to go ahead and verify the connection. And you can see that now it's going to take us back to this screen right here, and it's just going to say that the connection has been requested, and it's going to be verified. And sometimes this can take a couple minutes, and we can come down here and we can see that we are connected on both the domain and the www version of the domain. And then we have just the SSL certificate pending, and this normally takes a little bit. So you can go ahead and edit other parts of your site, and then you can come back and you'll see that this will go ahead and take care of itself, normally within a couple of hours. So with that said, that's it for this video. That's how you connect your existing GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in another video.